privacy. I did an audit on Steven about 2 years ago. Where is he? Bayside State Prison. He's doing 7 years.
Oh. Are you hiding something, Mr. Conrad? What is it that you do for a living?
Don't ask. He makes money. Nobody knows where it comes from, though.
Should we take a look at his return, Barry?
Guys, I think we're getting a little off track here.
Look, I'm in a little bit of a rush.
That's him.
Guys, I don't have much time, so...
Mr. Conrad, men lie to me 1,000 times a day. My job is to find the truth. Right, Barry? I've studied the human mind. I've learned how to read it and ultimately control it.
This is fascinating. I can't wait to read it.
$14.99 on my website,
Okay.
plus shipping and handling.
Even if I buy it here?
It ships from somewhere else, isn't it? And I've been handling it.
Can you just tell us everything why we're here? We're looking for an address of a non-deductible vacation property.
You're looking for someone or something.
That's exactly right. Tim is looking for his girlfriend. She ran off with an artist. They are probably sleeping together.
Your girlfriend has left you.
Tim, you can see right through him.
Well, you also just told him that.
Are you still skeptical, Mr. Conrad? Watch this. Barry.
What is he doing? He's making me do something. What is he making me do?
You're not doing anything, Barry.
That's right, Barry. You're not doing anything.
I'm not doing anything. I'm paralyzed. Oh, God.
God can't hear you, Barry.
Tim.
Tim can't hear you, Barry.
No, actually, I can hear him. Oh, my body's a prison. Oh, this is so painful. I can't move, Tim. Oh, Tim. All right, you know what, Barry, just move. You can do it, just move.
I release you.
Wow. Never take more for granted ever again.
You little rascals.
Apparently his brain really is your puppet.
I need an address. You help me, please?
Perhaps for a price. How much? I just need to hear Barry say, "You can eat my pudding." Barry, I can make you say it, but with your own free will, say, "You can eat